Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If I sound a little stuffy and congested, it's because I've really been trying to work on getting over this cold, and it just seems like it's not going anywhere. I swear, summer colds are the worst. So I'm just trying to rock it out, y'all. But I haven't done a video in a while, so here I am. Well, I have a wig to share with you guys, and it's from... just in case you guys are interested, be sure to check my description box for links and details to this wig. And this is a cute little glueless wig. It is a curly bob wig. So this is what it looks like straight out the packaging. Now look at this hairline. And the knots already come bleached. The hairline already comes pre-plucked. All that. So it's 7 inches going across the hairline, and then it's 5 inches going back. Like I said, the knots already are bleached, and I did add this in here. It didn't come in here, but it came with the wig, but it didn't come attached, so I already attached that. It has no combs in the front. Yeah, no combs in the front, but it does have a comb in the back, and it has the little grippy part, so it can be more secure on your head. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find my black stocking cap to put on, because y'all know I had a pixie, and normally I would just wear my hair like this, but it'll be short. But your girl got a ponytail, okay? So I mean, it's not much, but I'm getting there, y'all. Like, I was so pressed to get a ponytail. I think it's because my body is so used to having a ponytail. At this point, it's just like, I need a ponytail. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some powder to the lace just so it can blend in a little bit better. So I decided I'm gonna do a voiceover for the rest of this video. But as you can see, this wig was so easy to apply and the curls just fell in place. I love the curls on this wig. They were just effortless, honestly. And it didn't take a lot of work. I didn't have to put a lot of work into this wig, so I do appreciate that. But I just went ahead after I defined the curls, I diffused the hair, and here you have my end results. And this is the wig fully dry. And let me just say, this wig is glueless. And when I say it's not going anywhere, it's not. Right after I filmed this video, I went running and I did a 3 mile run, y'all, with this wig on. And the wig was still intact. It still looked so good. I'll insert a clip of after I finished running. And y'all, look, the hair still looks good. I just pushed it behind my ears, but it didn't go anywhere. So again, if you're interested, all the links will be left in my description box, and I will see y'all in my next video.